Hello! For this video, we're going to do a quick review sa nabili nating GoPro Hero 5 Black. Worth it pa rin ba? Let's find out. Stay tuned for the price reveal at the end of the video. The GoPro Hero 5 Black was released noong 2016. It's been a while since nilabas ito at marami na rin nagsilabas ang bagong action camera ngayon na mas marami at magaganda ang features. The Hero 5 can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS. Stabilization may not be as advanced as the newer models, but still does a great job of keeping your footage smooth. Especially sa mga nagsisimula pa lamang, tulad ko, who don't need the latest hyper-smooth technology. Sa videong ito, we are going to talk about the audio quality, the battery life, and the video quality. So wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's start with the audio quality.
So, ito yung audio quality ng GoPro pag nasa daan. Medyo makahintong na hindi ko alam kung maririnig mo masyado. Muffled siya kasi na-upload din yung voice ng set. Okay, so ito yung audio quality ng GoPro Hero 5 natin. Still ganun pa rin, nakasuot yung helmet, nakasarado yung visor, tapos wala tayong gamit na external microphone or voice over. And then ayun, sana mabigyan kayo ng idea sa audio quality ng ating GoPro.
So, decent ang kanyang audio quality, though madami namang paraan para mapaganda ito, tulad ng paggamit ng GoPro mic adapter. Though medyo may kamahalan nga lang na nasa around 2,000 to 3,000 pesos, depende pa kung second hand or brand new ang bibilihin. Meron din naman yung paggamit ng earphones. Madaming tutorials or setups sa YouTube na earphones ang gamit as their external microphones. I-search nyo na lang kung paano. Personally, hindi ko pa siya nasusubukan, pero maybe sa susunod. Sa battery life naman, wala pa naman akong nagiging problema, hindi naman mabilis mag-drain, at hindi bloated yung battery. Original battery pa rin ng GoPro Hero 5 yung gamit ko, at hindi ko pa naman nasusubukan malobat while recording. Even though wala akong extra batteries, nagdadala ako ng power bank just in case na malapit nang malobat. So next naman is the video quality. So sa dalawang video samples, kung mapapansin nyo, parehas ang settings ko sa dalawa. Ang pinagkaiba lang is, sa unang sample, flat ang color niya without color grading. And sa pangalawang sample naman, flat rin siya pero with color grading. So pag gusto nyo mapaganda or makontrol ang colors ng video nyo, ibawin nyo siya sa post or editing sa paggamit ng color grading. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman mag-color grade, okay na rin yung default settings. Maganda na rin yung kulay and yung video quality. So for this last part is yung price reveal. So sa halagang 4,000 pesos, for the condition and price ng GoPro Hero 5 na nabili ko, I must say, sobrang sulit. So, if you're on a budget and just starting out with motovlogging tulad ko, the Hero 5 is still worth considering. So sana makatulong itong video na to para magka-idea kayo if plano nyo bumili ng action camera or specifically ng GoPro Hero 5 Black. So once again, this is Narimoro. See you on the next ride.